Hi Year 9, welcome to Lesson 4 of Act 1 of An Inspector Calls. Your do now is on the board. There are 3 questions to answer. Number 1, how is the inspector presented in his entrance to the scene? It means what does he look like when he arrives on stage? Question 2, what was Mr. Burling's involvement in Eva's death? What did he do? And the last one, does Mr. Burling accept any responsibility for that? So please pause the video while you do these questions now. Okay, welcome back. So we are continuing to work through Act 1, looking at the development of both the plot and the characters. So first of all, you're going to listen to the next part of the audiobook, which is from 1822 to 2832, and I would recommend that you're listening to that while you've got a copy of the play in front of you if you can, and both of those links were on yesterday's lesson. Pause while you do that now, please. Okay, so now summarise what's happened in a couple of sentences or 3 or 4 lines. What's happened in this bit of the play? Pause while you do that. Amazing. So next there are 4 questions on the board. So what did Sheila have to do with the death of Eva Smith? What did she do that could have had a negative impact on Eva's future? Why did she do it? And does she take any responsibility? So please pause and do that now. Awesome. Right, finally for today then, we've seen 2 characters so far and looked at what they've done, what their involvement is, and at what their reaction is. So you're filling in this table now, and you can see there are 3 rows there. The first one is involvement. So what did Sheila do that led to Eva's death? What did Mr. Burling do that led to Eva's death? Their reaction to that then. So when Sheila finds out that this girl's killed herself by drinking bleach, what's her response to that? Is it like, and I don't know her, or is it something else? Similarly, Mr. Burling's reaction when he's told that she's dead, what does he say? Is he sympathetic? Is he polite? Is he showing social responsibility through the way he speaks? And then finally, responsibility. So do they say, oh dear, I shouldn't have done that, I've learnt my lesson, or do they go, so what, I didn't do anything wrong? That's what you need to do for the last bit. The red section right at the bottom of the board is just a thinking point. Which of the 2 do you think is more guilty of leading towards Eva's death? And why do you think that? Or do you think they're both equally to blame? Okay, that's it for today's lesson. I'll see you next time.